Take my soul. I'm trudging down this rocky road. On solid ground I build my home. Keep your gun and keep your sword. Music beating in my soul. When I'm jamming in my zone, you will hear the lion roar. They say the roar, the roar, the roar. Hear the lion roar. The roar, the roar, the roar. Lion of Judah, Lion of Judah, Lion of Judah. Only I've been told mean than feeding us with less. Only want to take our soul while we bleed to the oppressed. But we take uncontrolled and I'm leading with the steps. Even when I'm getting old and I'm bleeding in the flesh, I'm still not giving up even when I feel depressed. I turn the music up and let it take away the stress. And I shout it in the north and in the south and in the west. For the truth I'll never rest, and in this life I'm truly blessed. They say the roar, the roar, the roar. Hear the lion roar. The roar, the roar, the roar. Lion of Judah, Lion of Judah.